India vs Ireland T20I match 2026 first T20I match. Both team best playing 11 and match details. Date 26 June. Time 6 p.m. Venue Civil Service Cricket Club Ireland. Ireland team best playing 11. Number 1 Ross Edith. Number 2 Stephen Dueney. Number 3 Lorcan Tucker. Number 4 Harry Tector. Number 5 Benjamin Chelich. Number 6 George Dockrell. Number 7 Gareth Delaney. Number 8 Matthew Humphries. Number 9 Gavin Hoyes. Number 10 Liam McCarthy. Number 11 Reuben Wilson. Indian team best playing 11. Number 1 Vaibhav Suryavanshi. Number 2 Abhishek Sharma. Number 3 Ishan Kishan. Number 4 Shreyas Iyer. Number 5 Tilak Verma. Number 6 Washington Sundar. Number 7 Akshar Patel. Number 8 Shivam Dube. Number 9 Harshit Rana. Number 10 Varun Chakraborty. Number 11 Ashdeep Singh.